What if I told you that the future of plastic is not plastic at all? While most businesses are stuck in the past, smart entrepreneurs in India are quietly entering a 20,000 crore rupees market that could replace 30% of traditional plastics in just 5 years. And guess what? The raw material is corn. Yes, corn. If you don't get in now, you'll be watching others cash in while you're still figuring out how plastic is made. Keep watching. So, what exactly are corn starch-based biodegradable plastic granules? These are eco-friendly granules that can be used to manufacture carry bags, food containers, straws, packaging film, and much more. Made from natural corn starch, they decompose in 3 to 6 months, unlike conventional plastics that take 500 plus years. How does the process work? Here's how it's made in 5 steps. 1. Raw material. Corn starch is taken from Madge. India produces millions of tons, so supply is stable. To mixing, add natural softeners and eco-friendly compounds. 3. Extrusion. Heat the mix and shape it into granules using a special machine. 4. Cooling and drying. Granules are cooled, dried, and quality checked. 5. Packaging and supply. Packed and sent to manufacturers across India. Why is this a smart business move in India right now? Government support. India's policies are aggressively pushing for biodegradable alternatives. In fact, many states have banned single-use plastics outright. Growing demand. Major FMCG brands like Tata, Reliance, Patanjali, and HUL are now actively sourcing biodegradable packaging. Profit margins. With the right scale, businesses are seeing 30–40% gross margins, especially in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Export potential. Countries in Europe, UAE, and USA are looking to import biodegradable raw materials from India. Challenges. 1. High-quality raw materials. One of the key challenges in starting a plastic granules business from cornstarch is ensuring a consistent supply of high-quality raw materials. Securing. 2. Technology know-how. The right extrusion machine, temperature control, and chemical balance are key. Training is essential. 3. Quality certification. BIS, CPCB, and ISO certifications are mandatory for product credibility. 4. Market education. Many plastic manufacturers are still unaware of biodegradable alternatives. You'll need to create awareness. But here's the thing, where most see problems, real entrepreneurs see opportunity. So if you've been dreaming of a low competition, high demand, sustainable business, this is it. Starting a corn starch-based granule unit now is like investing in solar panels in 2010. The ones who took action early are the ones dominating today. Are you ready to build the future? Let us assist you. We can support your business with 30+ years of experience. At NII, our project consultancy services, we provide our services for the preparation of market surveys cum detailed techno-economic feasibility reports for setting up new industries or businesses. Here's how we support you. Detailed feasibility reports and financial projections. Machinery, raw material and manpower planning. Licensing and compliance guidance. Tailored business plans for your goals and budget. Our clients typically see 30–45% higher ROI because every plan is customized to their needs. The opportunity won't wait. Take action now and enter the market with confidence. For more details, please contact the number or email given in the description box. This is your moment to start a low competition, high demand, eco-friendly business. If you found this video helpful, like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more insights on emerging business opportunities.